Traders, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into CREPE Coin, and as always, this coin continues to provide clear opportunities for key level trading. If you missed our previous analysis, check the link in the description because the context there sets up everything we are going to discuss today. In our previous analysis, I highlighted a support level around 0.31 that had been respected multiple times. This was a critical level because whenever price came back to this support, it consistently showed a strong reaction to the upside, confirming that this level was a key area to watch. I mentioned that if price returned to this support level and formed a bullish candlestick, we could enter a buy from there to ride the uptrend. However, if price did not respect the support and instead broke it, that would signal that the support might flip back into a resistance level, meaning we would have to wait for a retest and look for a sell entry. As we can see now, price initially came back to that support level, but it did not respect it and ultimately broke it. This is an important shift because that previous support level is now acting as resistance. The market is still showing a downtrend structure, forming a clear series of higher lows and higher highs, but the flip of this key level to resistance makes it a critical zone for upcoming trade opportunities. Here is what I'm watching for, CREPE right now. If price comes back to the new resistance level around 0.31 and forms a bearish candlestick, this will be a high probability sell entry. Conversely, if the price respects the resistance level but then breaks above it strongly, that signals buyers may be taking control again. In that case, we wait for a retest and look for a bullish entry from the breakout, potentially targeting the next resistance zone around. For the targets, if we go with a sell from the resistance at 0.31, the first take profit target is around the next support level at 0.20. This provides a clear risk to reward setup for traders looking to capitalize on the downtrend continuation. On the other hand, if the breakout occurs and buyers take control, our buy targets would be toward the next resistance level at approximately 0.46, giving a good upside potential while respecting key market structure. This situation demonstrates the classic battle between buyers and sellers at key levels. When a support flips to resistance, it shows that sellers are defending the zone and buyers must show strength to regain control. Watching how price reacts at these key levels gives insight into market sentiment and helps you plan entries with higher probability rather than guessing. In summary, CREPE is currently in a downtrend direction, forming a clear series of higher lows and higher highs. The previous support level at 0.31 has flipped to resistance and is now our key level to watch. If price respects it, we look for a sell to target 0.20. If price breaks above this resistance level, we wait for a retest and look for a buy to target 0.46. This is a textbook example of how key level flips provide high probability entries and clear targets. Traders, do you think CREPE will continue respecting this resistance and push towards 0.20, or will buyers break through and aim for 0.46? Comment your prediction and reasoning below. Alright traders, that's all we have on CREPE. For today, stay sharp, trade smart, and until then, I'll see you in the next video.